In this video, we will learn how to create letter templates using the AI Suggest feature in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. To begin, go to the left side navigation panel and click on the HR main menu. From the list of submenus, select Letter Templates. This will open a page displaying all existing letter templates available in the system. To create a new template, click on the plus New Template button. This will open a new form where you can start defining your letter template. Begin by entering the title, for example, Offer Letter, Junior UI UX Designer. Next, you can configure additional settings based on your requirements. You may enable CC HR Manager using the toggle button if HR should be included in the communication. If needed, you can also enable password protection for the template and set a password to restrict access. In the Accessible to field, select the relevant user groups who should be able to use this template, such as HR team. You can also select CC from employee profile fields, for example, business head, depending on your requirement. If required, enable the CC Reporting Manager toggle button so that the manager automatically receives a copy. You can also add additional CC email addresses manually if there are any external or specific recipients. Once the basic configuration is done, click on the Generate with AI button. The AI will automatically generate a complete letter template based on the context and settings. For example, it can generate an offer letter with structured sections like job role, responsibilities, joining details, and company terms in a professional format. After the content is generated, you can review it and make edits if required. You can also refine the prompt or add more instructions to regenerate a better version of the letter content. Once you are satisfied with the template, click on the Save button to store it in the system. That's it! You now know how to use the Generate with AI feature in letter templates in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.